A major turnaround for a key player in the ongoing Atlanta bribery investigation. Arrest reports indicate that Sean Barnes confessed to throwing a brick through the front window of a key witness in the case.
Yeah, but in court today, Barnes pleaded not guilty and indicated that he plans to fight the charges. Now, senior Fox 5 I-Team reporter Dale Russell was in court today and talked with Barnes' attorney.
We did, Sinead, and we went into court expecting a guilty plea by Sean Barnes. After all, as Russ said, an earlier 2015 police affidavit claims Barnes confessed in writing and that it was on tape. But now he's fighting. Sean Barnes leaves the Fulton County Courthouse heading in a new direction, pleading not guilty to threatening a federal bribery witness.
I'll put you on the 6-2 trial calendar.
It was over within seconds. Sean Barnes' newly hired attorney, Ted Salter, telling the judge his client is not guilty.
Well, we anticipate at this point in time to fight him. Because I don't think the arrest is valid.
That arrest was back in the fall of 2015. Atlanta police accused Sean Barnes of throwing this block through the front window of E.R. Mitchell's home. The handwritten warning, "Shut up." Barnes is also accused of spreading dead rats around Mitchell's front porch. You said you didn't think the arrest was valid. Why do you think that?
Now, that's just strategy, and I can't talk about that.
Why would anyone want to threaten E.R. Mitchell, a construction contractor? We now know this. Mitchell recently pled guilty in federal court to paying more than $1 million in bribes to secure Atlanta City contracts.
Mr. Mitchell will continue to cooperate.
Barnes was once a business partner with Mitzi Bickers, a former city employee and one-time fundraiser for Kasim Reed. The FBI has subpoenaed hundreds of boxes of material relating to Mitzi Bickers' work while at City Hall.
I'm not going to comment on whether Ms. Bickers was or was not a subject of this investigation.
In court, federal prosecutors have yet to identify who Mitchell gave the bribe money to.
Will Mitzi Bickers be part of your case?
Don't know yet.
On the 2015 affidavit for Barnes' arrest, police wrote that Barnes confessed to the crime and was a witness for a corruption case. Not so fast, says Sean Barnes' attorney. Obviously, the great deal of interest is that Mr. Barnes may be a witness in this ongoing bribery case. Can you comment on his role in that?
Well, first of all, I don't believe he has a role in it.
So the court fight is on, and Ted Salter said he's filed a motion to get a copy of the prosecution's entire case file, and then he'll talk more with his client and other witnesses and get ready to go to trial this summer. Russ, Sinead, there's nothing predictable in this ongoing investigation.
I mean, it just seems so bizarre, though, to go from a confession now to fighting the charges, two opposite ends of the spectrum.
Right, and we would love to talk to Sean Barnes about that, obviously, but he's at a point in time where he's not talking. His lawyer's just been on this case for a couple of days, he said. Mr. Barnes had another lawyer earlier. And so we'll have to just see how this plays out.
Yeah, well, if there is a trial, the jury is going to see that evidence, that's for sure.
Absolutely, which would be interesting if the federal case is still ongoing.
Yeah. Thanks, Tom.